Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your LG fridge is not cooling properly or food is getting warm, this is usually a airflow, defrost or heat exchange issue and not always a compressor failure. So in today's video, I will show you how you can fix this step by step. So first of all, you need to open the fridge and locate the air vents. Just make sure that they are not blocked by the food items. Air must circulate freely from freezer to fridge section. After that, open the door and you need to listen to it carefully. You should hear a fan running inside. If not, cold air is not moving through the compartments. Now, you need to also check the back or the bottom of the fridge. If the coils are covered in dust, they cannot release heat properly. So, all you need to do is you need to simply clean them using a brush or vacuum. After that, you need to open the freezer back panel area. If you see heavy frost buildup, the airflow is blocked due to defrost system issue. So you need to manually defrost the fridge completely. After that, you need to also inspect the door gasket. If it is loose or damaged, the warm air enters continuously. So this reduces cooling efficiency. Now you need to also set the proper temperature. So the temperature of the fridge should be between 3 to 4 degrees Celsius, and you can basically unplug it and wait for 5 minutes and then restart it, and then you can set this particular temperature for better cooling. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.